Hi students, today we discuss on the topic refraction through spherical surface. हमारे ऑप्टिक्स का बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक है। इस टॉपिक पे बेस्ड हमारा लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला होगा। तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है ये, आप इसको ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करें। हम देखेंगे कि किसी भी स्फेरिकल सरफेस से लाइट का रिफ्रैक्शन कैसे होता है। हमने कंसीडर कर दिया एक्स एक्स डैश एक स्फेरिकल सरफेस है, ये आपका पॉइंट पी है। एक्स पी एक्स डैश बी दी spherical surface that separate two medium. This is first medium and this is second medium. First medium have the refractive index n1 and second medium have the refractive index n2, and condition is that n2 greater than n1. This condition say that this medium is rarer medium and this medium is denser medium. This spherical surface have center of curvature C. We consider here be the center of curvature. Center of curvature be the center of that sphere. The part xp x dash is the part of that sphere. So this is the point like object at point O. Light start from here. This is the incident rays fall on the surface at point K. This is the point K we consider. After refraction, because refraction phenomena take place because light goes from one medium to another medium, and basic phenomena of refraction is that when light goes from one medium to another medium, it change its path. It means that light bend toward the normal or away from the normal. It depend on the condition. Light goes from rarer to denser or denser to rarer. If light goes from rarer to denser, then light bend toward the normal. But if light goes from denser to rarer, it bend away from the normal. Here condition is this n2 greater than n1. It means that this is n1, mean refractive index of medium first is n1. It is rarer medium and it is denser medium. We draw a normal from point C. This is the normal. We can draw. This is the normal. This is the normal. C n be the normal, and light goes from rarer to denser. It bend toward the normal. So we can say that this light bend toward the normal and finally intersect the principal axis. At that point, here image formed. This is the position of image, and this rays is refracted rays. This is the basic structure of this diagram, and this angle is angle of incidence and this angle is angle of refraction. We know very well incidence angle is the angle between incident rays and normal, and refracted angle is the angle between refracted rays and normal. So here angle of incidence, this is the angle of refraction, and final image formed at I. This is the phenomena happening in this diagram. So here we write as shown in diagram, as shown in diagram, refraction take place at surface xpx dash. Here refraction take place at the surface when light goes from one medium to another medium by using law of refraction. Law of refraction mean Snell law. And Snell law say that sine of I upon sine of R is equal to n2 upon n1. This is the Snell law. We know very well that Snell law is the ratio of sine of incident angle to the sine of refracted angle is equal to ratio of refractive index of these two medium. So we write as like this, but condition is that but angle are so small. Reason is that why angle are so small? Angle are so small because there is small aperture in this spherical surface. Here aperture is very small, mean this bending of this sphere is very small. So if angle are very small, then sine of angle is equivalent to the angle. Then we write as sine I, angle are very small, then sine of theta approaches to theta. So we write as I upon R. Sine I according to this became I and sine R became I is equal to N2 upon N1. This is the formula formed here. Cross multiply and we get it is equivalent to I N1 is equal to N2R. We can say that this is the equation first. So we get here how angle and refractive index are correlated to one another. So this is I incident angle into refractive index of rarer medium is equal to refractive index of second medium and angle of refraction in of this phenomena. So our basic phenomena is that refraction through spherical surface here, in case of these formulas, we correlate between distance of the object from spherical surface, distance of image from spherical surface, and radius of curvature of this spherical surface, how they are related to one another. For spherical surface, distance of object from spherical surface, we can say that u, image distance is v, and radius of curvature is r. So here we want to prove how u, v, and r correlate to one another. Our basic phenomena is that how they are related, and we draw a formula as u, v, and r correlate to one another. So here relation is between the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. How or what procedure to convert these angle into the distance? Distance is, this is the distance of the object from this is negative of u, this is object distance, and this distance is r, because distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature and represented by r, and this distance is v, because this is the image distance. How we can convert or correlate, or how we can convert, or which conversion we take place from angle to this distance? So we consider some perimeter here. Let us consider alpha, beta, and gamma be the angle as alpha, beta, and gamma be the angle as alpha, angle between incident rays and principal axis. Similar, beta be the angle between refracted rays and principal axis. And gamma be the angle between normal and principal axis. We consider these three perimeters as here angle is alpha, here angle is beta, and here angle is gamma. We consider three perimeter. Why we need these perimeter? These perimeter are needed because I and R be the angle above the principal axis, and we have the geometry to convert these angle to the principal axis. And if once we reach at the point alpha, beta, and gamma, or we can say that on the principal axis, then angle convert into sides. Or here formula mean relation between the different side or different distances u, v, and r. The basic procedure is this. So we use, or with the help of geometry, as like this, in triangle O K C, in triangle O K C. In this triangle we use geometry. Geometry is this: angle I is equal to angle of alpha plus angle of gamma. And condition is, we know very well that exterior angle of triangle must be equal to sum of two interior angle. And in this triangle OKC, this is exterior angle, alpha and gamma be the interior angle. Here we write that exterior angle of triangle are equal to sum of two interior angle. We use this geometry. Similar in triangle, we take the another triangle C, K, and I. CKI. Here this concept is same applied here, as exterior angle is gamma. Gamma is equal to R plus beta. And we find out the value of R is equal to gamma minus beta. These are the two relation, and geometry is same. Exterior angle must be equal to sum of two interior angle. Put value of put value of I and R into equation. First, if we convert once I and R in the form of alpha, beta, and gamma, then put value of I and R into equation first, and then we get I is equal to alpha plus gamma into N1 is equal to, and R is equal to gamma minus beta into N2. This is the second equation we get here. This is the second equation here we get. Once again, I repeat this phenomena. This is the object. Incident rays start from here after refraction at K. It gives the final image at I. We draw a normal from C at K, and we get this is incident angle and this is refraction angle. Here phenomena is refraction, so we use the Snell law. But aperture of this spherical surface is small. Due to small aperture, angle are also very, very small. If angle are very, very small, we know very well sine of theta is equal to theta. Then we apply this condition here, we get I into N1 is equal to N2 into R. This is the first equation. Here important things is that we know the value of I and R, these are above from the principal axis, but conversion is that I and R lie above the principal axis. Then it is necessary to form the correlation between U, V and R. These angle convert into the angle that lie on the principal axis. So we need three perimeter, and three perimeter are alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma be the angle formed by incident rays, refracted rays and normal with the principal axis. These are the three type of angle. So with the help of geometry, first geometry, we take the triangle of OKC. This is the triangle O, K and C. We apply I is equal to alpha plus gamma, and condition is exterior angle of triangle are equal to sum of two interior angle. Similar phenomena apply on the another triangle, and we get the relation as like this: alpha plus gamma n1 is equal to gamma minus beta n2. So we convert these angle because now we reach on the principal axis with the help of alpha, beta and gamma, and we know very well with the help of trigonometry, side convert into angle and angle also convert into side. We have the trigonometric function and we have the trigonometry. With the help of trigonometric function, side convert into angle and angle convert into side. So we apply the next condition as like this. So how we convert these angle into side. See here. So we draw a normal. We draw normal from K to principal axis. This is the normal, and this point is P dash. If we draw normal from K to Kp dash on the principal axis, it means that this angle is 90 degree. And in right angle triangle, OKP dash, OKP dash. This is the right angle triangle. Why we take the right angle triangle? Because trigonometric function only applied on the right angle triangle. And we can construct this geometry. We draw a normal on the principal axis. Then right angle triangle is OKP dash. Similar CKP dash and IKP dash. There are different right angle triangle. So first we take OKP dash. In case of OKP dash, we never use the hypotenuse, only use perpendicular and base. So we take the tan theta. Tangent of alpha is equal to, this is the angle alpha and this is right angle triangle. Tan alpha mean the opposite side of this angle is perpendicular, and perpendicular is Kp dash upon base is OP dash. We write here OP dash, but angle so small, angle are so small, then tangent alpha also equivalent to alpha, and it became alpha is equal to Kp dash upon OP dash. We can obtain value of alpha. Similar, in different triangle, also find out the value of similar beta is equal to, this is the angle beta, and right angle triangle is Kp dash I. Similar, we obtain Kp dash upon Ip dash, and we find out also gamma. Gamma is Kp dash upon Cp dash. This is the gamma, and triangle is CKP dash. Easily find out the value of alpha, beta and gamma. These value of alpha, beta and gamma put into equation second. Put value of alpha, beta and gamma into equation second. Then this is the second equation. Put value of alpha, beta and gamma. Value of alpha, from here we get, after putting the value of alpha, it became kp dash upon op dash, plus put value of gamma, kp dash upon cp dash into n1 is equal to, put value of gamma again, kp dash upon cp dash minus value of beta from here, kp dash upon ip dash into n2. By putting value of alpha, beta and gamma into second equation, we get the equation as like this. Then it is important to note here, kp dash, kp dash, kp dash and kp dash take common both side and cancel out, or it became 1 upon op dash plus 1 upon cp dash into n1 is equal to 1 upon cp dash minus 1 upon ip dash into n2. Because kp dash take common both side and cancel out, this is or here, or. Now it is very important that if angle are very small, then this p dash point very close to p. If angle are small, then aperture is small, then p dash and p are very close. So we write here p dash is very close to p. Then if p dash is very close to p, then we can replace as like this. Then this became op plus 1 upon cp into n1 is equal to, this became also cp minus 1 upon ip into n2. Because p and p dash are very close, so p dash can be replaced by the p, and this is the very important correlation between op, ip, cp, etc. Then by using sign convention, by using sign convention as, sign convention is as like this. Here from diagram, op, o to p is equal to, o to p is distance of object from the pole, and in left side it became negative, and its value is minus u. ip, it is the distance of image from the pole, and distance of image from pole is v, but it is in the direction of incident rays, so it take as positive v. Similar, cp, it is the radius of curvature of this spherical surface. It is also in the direction of, in the right side of pole, so it also taken as plus r. This equation, we can give the name of this equation is third, so we write as put into equation third. Then after putting into equation third this value, we get as, we write and we put here the value as value as 1 upon op, op is minus u, put here minus u, plus here is 1 upon cp, cp is r, 1 upon r, this is positive, into n1 is equal to 1 upon Cp. Cp is R minus Ip is V. So 1 upon V into N2. This we will put here this value and we get this. It became N1 upon U minus plus N1 upon R is equal to multiply to this N2 upon R minus N2 upon V. Rearrange these equation. This N2 by V part goes to the left side. It is negative and here it became positive N2 upon V. Minus this part is same in this direction and it is of negative is equal to, we take this part in this side and it became as, this is N2 upon R is positive, but this is positive and goes to this direction is N1 upon R. Finally, we get N2 upon V minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R. After simplification, we get this relation. This is the relation between UVR, and this is called, this is spherical surface formula. This is spherical surface formula. In this way, we can draw a spherical surface formula. Spherical surface formula mean relation between the distance of object, image and radius of curvature, and how this formula affected by the refractive index of these two medium. This is very important formula. You can understand or you can see here how this formula can be derived, and this formula is base for lens maker formula. And in CBSE exam, many time numerical based on this formula generally asked है. So मैं ये कामना करता हूँ कि आपको समझ में आया होगा. फिर भी अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप डाल सकते हैं. जो उनकी समस्या है मैं उसको कोशिश करूंगा कि उसको ठीक करूं, हल करूं. और आप सब बच्चे आराम से पढ़ें, बहुत ध्यान से समझें इन चीज़ों को. ये बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. फिर भी किसी को कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, और जो भी संशोधन होगा, जो भी सुधार होगा, जो भी संभावनाएं बनेंगी, हम उसमें सुधार करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, गुड लक. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को बेनिफिट मिले, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें इसको. ओके, थैंक यू.